Hey guys, good day to you. Today I wanted to share how to make this mobile video is suitable for your Instagram reel. Once you click this create blank, it will bring you like this layout, and then they will provide you about the timing. When you click edit timing, you can adjust it. So you also can select from here. They have a it's a more result or more the idea or the travel topic and some special topic for you to select. Video I'm record or download from mine. So I just click. One is a coffee bean, roasted coffee bean, right click and then set as an image. Once I double click this horizontal the video, so I can select the position what I want. If you use your mobile phone to if you use the mobile phone to record down the video, that will be vertical. So here I also can, the finger over here, I also can adjust the timing from here. Okay, for example, it's 5, or I also can use this arrow until here and then right click, and we can see the split for for separate or split down the video. So if I don't want to do, I just click here, undo, it's okay already. So here I also can apply some text, but before that I just click one more page to my further video, for example, and then I just coming here to adjust the timing what I want. For example, like this. I also can double click to change the position. Okay, but I will do it like continually. Bean, roasted bean, becoming a grill, and continually some like so we can make this Instagram reel up to 90 seconds. So here because the location of the position is not I want, I just click over here, click, and then come to flip. Okay, then adjust the timing as well. This is I just make it for the beginner, for the Canva user, so make them more clear information, because I also like to play around about this one. Once I okay, then click one more time. Maybe I can choose some photo, because now I already ate many the video over here, so maybe I can come elements, then choose coffee shop photo like this. Then I can select okay, maybe like this one, right click, set as image match, then click one more time, just flick it, double click, change the things I want. Okay, once I'm happy about this, and then this one is a 5-second, happy about it, then I can come to add some text over here. Okay, for example, just add the text over here. For example, maybe it's a Then I just click animation, then maybe pop. Okay, nice, pop. Okay, once everything done, we want to come in here, the transition. Okay, here we can click plus, then we can see 8 page or 8 transition. So transition, I can make everything I want, just click it. Then here have a show up you about the duration. You can click adjust about 1 second, 1.5 second, or maybe half second, like that. So I will choose half second. Okay, now we can see if this original is 5 second. Okay, previously is a 5 second. Now after we apply in between, the transition is about 0.5 second. So here will be minus a bit before and after. This connection will be minus it. Okay, so here as well we also can add different transition. For example, maybe I want to circle and then just click out, so it look like another good view for me. Okay, chop, and then this one match. Okay, this one is a color. Okay, color not so bad. This one is quite neat, quite good. I just click direction from here to here, and then here the adjusting duration timing as well. So here the last one, also not the last two, sorry, last two, maybe this one, and then also can select the this direction. Then final one, maybe like this. Okay, beta 0.5. Okay, everything is good. So now the final one, maybe we want to add we're going back to elements, then we can select the scroll down video and audio. Okay, CO, we remember back to this, the first page here. Then we can select one of the video, one of the audio you want, or you can select from the update, and then you select your audience is upload from your PC or computer. So this free copy free video, you can check back my previous the YouTube, my tutorial, so you can find out where you can download. So I just use one of these free from the Canva, then just drag and drop over here, then maybe just adjust a little bit over here. Then okay, here we double check haven't end with the video. Okay, everything is done. Okay, we can just play around, or if you're happy about that, you can share, and then we can see download for your PC, or you can share on social. For example, you can click here, Instagram personal, or the Facebook page, or TikToks directly, as long as you use your mobile phone to scan the barcode or the QR code, so you can direct upload or update in your Instagram or another social media as well. So I just click download. From download, the file type is MP4, and then click download. Okay, once okay, then we select from our computer, and then we can start to upload. Okay, then we can click over here to select the original 1:1 or 9:16, like this. Okay, then we can press next. Then we can choose cover photo. We can choose this one, and this one as well. So you can adjust a little bit, maybe like this. Good morning to you, for example, like this. Once you're happy about this cover photo, or you can select from your computer if you have this photo for the thumbnail, and then after you're happy, just click next, click share as well. Okay, take a look. We go to here and then press it. Okay, this is today my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel if you think this is good for you, or you can share this link, this video to your friends as well. Thank you. See you next video soon. Bye.